Bia Kamal tekon ka update ka kui juatan shual ke kolora. Kolora ke jan gwa same rewit ka South Sudan cha jui kel mi bech chalung ka juas dialin kokien tin kon tin nak ji South Sudan. Anjui shual ke kolora me no men bana LinkedIn update dana pa nong wichan shual ke Eastern Equatoria ka duob danen cha jalat kije keshe ben kaje bana jalling ana me gwa ko en kolora gore jen wode na ta ke shop lo gwa the awareness ke shang munyod ngi de jatup ka kene dialan content re wi ka South Sudan ko jen cabinet wan kam bu kono kula da gwa se me ka jen ki kolora ka ngai kono no kolora jega kolora joikel mi gishne dialan no dong she joi ko jen cha kep ko do mo dong ku irana dong da kap ko jen no lana gujene dong joi me chi Jamie me dong me la serious no kan ede kwan ko rune na kwan kana guja joye me joye tek tek ko jen jeg ka do me tek tek no joye me rune na kwan tek nak no mu gor gwen me gwa de na de ke educate ke ja ke de ke nge ke ja ajen gor no banyo ga ye kelo ne shirka me shanen gwas me chalro jen chane dang diok shakanak ne ti a win mu de me chali ko to sen me wuje na ga diok tinana Ikotos County ka jan ke Equatoria. Gondrin konken telab den mishanung dinomende lari jene. Alla kolora we kamare banrode no. Kun kolora jeka jeka joy jeka jeka piu ti chijek ti radiant ka bacteria ne ke te ka kwam. Ano tango dera laro mi shan piu shan ka tol mo ka kolora no dong da wasaka ki bacteria and content tere no makadera ka wuch ke loda malode ala kolora ala manya manya la chlorine dong ni chlorine di la repini malode mal jene ala chlorine jagana piu ko bi piu bika wich telo mi de ku jimi she wasaka ki bacteria ne ka wuch bacteria no gora no baka wuch ko be je me be je kule jago betel gor jeno bran be piu baka tol piu mi chaka tol bika kaj ba kula mat no jen dob dan na nake colorano mo en chlorine tele mi din mitrede jakan piu ka wich a changa piu lo an bo no de ka tol ko bi namo bacteria na to bika tel ngai kono no ala bedje terong re wi ka so sudan ka kwi jada me germany yen mo antama kano ne tin wan shenkan kare modere a gwadne titel tanan ka dulwal dagul kandi shina tiken liu ka jeno nan dulwal a chenke je kep ku je chai de mal nang dong be ju de mal tom dong de mo ke drip ala mala piu point ran kula jago bu ditin ko jen la tu ni piu point ran en kolora jen ta dan teke je mitina gwad mat ka ni piu woletin piu walang piu ti te gwakel ka gwad bar telon la ji mo la ja je ka kano dong mi china mit ke tin kon chit ke rech tin kon kam grar yir ka kan ke tala go ka do dong de ken kul to ka je managen je chol kon me kolora point je ke je ka kuje mo de kwende yik tala go ka do bran de na de ke te ke je kano sharan che de ke ko jen mi je ke lai mo be je mi di long ko point bi je tu mo je worar no tu go ni point ke liu en community dan en chuje long ka community content tiek ke swami la gwadan tiek piu ne de kon dong tel maturi tel ka tap water tel gwamet ga tin so ne to la mala ka ba ne me jen dan en gor en wo de nyoka yekel ka ta dan en chaje non ka jen chalar gwaz me ne ke jen Eastern Equatoria at least 3 people have been confirmed dead and 20 others were in critical condition from a suspected cholera outbreak in Logiri village of Ikotos County in eastern Equatoria. Health officials say the 3 died on January 31st and February 1st. The 16 patients in critical condition were at the Ikotos Primary or L6 Care Center, while 4 others were at a case management center in Logiri village. The suspected cholera outbreak, the official explained, was reported on January 29 in Logiri village in Imotong Payam. The highly infectious disease inflicts the small intestine with strain of the bacterium Vibrio cholera. Symptoms may range from none to mild, severe. The classic symptom is large amount of water, diarrhea lasting a few days, and vomiting. Muscle convulsion may also occur. Equator's Council authority said a surveillance team was on the ground to assess the situation. The Equator Primary Health Care Center in charge, Carlo Lodai, say that the death and the patient had faced severe dehydration and water diarrhea. He said the sample from the suspect casualties were sent to Torit for further examination. Equator's County Health Surveillance Officer Matthew Lobo confirmed the suspected outbreak, saying the surveillance response team were offering health education in the area. He, however, said the admitted patient condition were improving, stressing on the local to consider preventive measures. We started giving health education and we are doing mobilization, especially on the preventive measures so that people should not gather and should not drink unsafe water. Equator's County Paramount Chief Joseph Odongi said the residents live in a fear of further spread, calling for government and health partners to deliver medicines. Odongi expressed fear that the outbreak may spread if not urgent control. The people can only be saved through the delivery of medicines, and we need the government to intervene before it spreads. The locals are now living in fear because of this disease is dangerous. The Equator's County Health Department has established a case management center to provide education and counseling to the local community. Eastern Equatorial State Ministry of Health authorities were not available for comment. Cholera is an acute diarrhea infection caused by the consumption of the bacterium Vibrio cholera in contaminated food or water. The bacterial disease, which is often distinguishable by clinical presentation like severe vomiting and rice water like diarrhea, can be fatal within hours or if left untreated. There's no specific cholera treatment. Oral rehydration, resolution, or ORS, intravenous fluids, and antibiotics are highly recommended for the infected. To contain the spread, it is advisable that adequate sanitation, including measures like drinking of clean treated water, avoiding of open defecation, and covering all food before serving to be observed. Agenda shalat ka kwi dobanan and be me shalga color de caption gaja ni gwa biata kamal ngeje ne diala kontin tindong kwe kamana talk kala tal ga piu ka jak gwa chenga den kama gwa chang te kare gwa mi jegbo da gwa de kana ne to mode nkian de ga yop ko je me la na ga ni cheje kap ko tu kana piu panyaran biata mal